Welcome to Ann Evolving. So today I'm just touching on 4 things I do to help to lift the eye. The first is the winged eyeliner. The second is using the same color as the eyeliner and stamp the eyelash, the base of the eyelashes. And you can also go under the eyelashes to fill in the eyelash line. The third way is using eyeshadow and going up higher than you may normally do, and coming down in a triangle shape. Same thing over here. Going up higher to the brow, make a triangle. So again, you're elevating that eye there, and then you just blend that out. I use eyebrow pencil to shape the eyes and to add a lift coming out from each eye. I add just a very little bit of a highlighter under the brow here. I do curl my lash to give an upturned look to the eyelash. And then when you go to coat them, I like to add a lot on the outside. Of course, I do like all the lashes to be coated, but I also like to make sure these are nice and coated. If you do the lower lash, one thing I like to do, I'm gonna try and do this. I'm looking at the camera in the computer and I'm not even looking at my eyeballs, so I may poke myself. But basically you want to go out like that. And I say you want to. These are not professional tips here. These are tips that I use. As a woman over 50, I'm 58, I'll be 59 in a couple of months. And these are just things that I have found that I do. So again, this is just my anecdotes. That's what I call them, my anecdotes, because, you know, I'm not a professional, but I'm here to share. So let me look in my mirror, my real mirror, and see how that looks. Okay, well, I did. I just got mascara all over under my eye. I will clean that up. But basically, this is an eyelash that is almost done here. So ignoring all the smudge, curling the lashes, putting the mascara on, focusing on the outer area, and then pulling the bottom lashes to the side is kind of the goal. So who else uses your right and left hand to do your right and left eye? Is that something people do? I do that on the top lashes. I use my right hand for my right eyelashes and my left hand for my left eyelashes. But when it comes to the bottom lashes, I use my right hand for both. Not that that's important, but I am curious. All right, so again, now that I'm looking in the mirror, I think I'm doing a little bit better on this side. But again, the focus is to really give a lot of attention to the outer lashes. Coat the top one, coat the inner ones, but to give those outer ones a lot of attention. And then I'm going to do this better this time. I'm going to focus on the lower to the side like this. The things I do to help give a open and lifted eye are eyebrows, up, wing, up, and on the inner part, going down into a triangle. Eyeshadow, also up higher in a triangle format. I also stamp under the eye and right on the lash line to give a fuller look on the lashes. And then the 5th thing I do is I curl my lashes. And the 6th thing I do is I take my lashes and focus on the outer part. And then when I do the under lashes, I pull them out this way instead of down. So that's 6 tips. I really hope this was helpful. Again, it's always so much fun hanging out with you. And I hope you're enjoying some of these little tips and tricks. I'm having fun putting these videos together for you. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love for you to join my channel. Just like, share, and subscribe. And if you haven't visited the blog, there's a lot of great information over there, a little more detail. And I am putting together an email list so that I can begin sending out little emails on the weekends and such to keep you apprised of sales or just little things that are going on. I look forward to seeing you next time.